Is yes the answer?
If you choose to go to Australia and live there for 1 year, the first thing you have to think about is if you want to go to Sydney or Melbourne. I mean, there's hundreds of other cities where you could go, but if you want to have a social life and connect to other people, you want to live in a big city, don't you? The reason why I felt drawn to Sydney in the first place was the surf. There is no real surf in Melbourne, and how could you go to Australia and not learn surfing? So Sydney was the way to go for me. But still, in Sydney I felt lonely. It's such a huge city. So artificial, no sincerity. Of course, there was a lot to do in Sydney. But it was just not the right place for me. So after 3 months living there, I chose within one day to pack all my stuff and to go. Just go. But where? Australia is such a huge country. But I found 2 backpackers going to Melbourne the next day. So I joined them, and we went 900 kilometers down the coast the next morning to Melbourne. While living there, I applied for different jobs in Melbourne, Brisbane, Byron. Wait, Byron Bay? Isn't that the town of yoga and surfing? Byron Bay. Yes, I want to go there. For a girl who likes nature, Melbourne is just another Sydney. So I saw the last days in my hostel, booked my flight and went straight to beautiful Byron Bay the next morning. And when I got there, everything changed.